Today, I stand before you not just as a speaker, but as a fellow traveler on the journey of life. A journey fraught with uncertainties, challenges, and risks at every turn. Yet, it is these very risks that define the essence of our existence, that propel us forward towards greatness, and that sculpt the landscapes of our dreams. Today, I want to talk to you about the power of risk-taking and how embracing it can lead to a life of fulfillment, achievement, and boundless possibilities. We live in a world where comfort and security often reign supreme. We are taught from a young age to play it safe, to avoid taking unnecessary risks, and to follow the well-trodden path laid out before us. But what if I told you that the greatest achievements in human history were not born out of safety and predictability, but out of daring leaps into the unknown? What if I told you that every invention, every discovery, and every breakthrough came as a result of someone taking a chance, stepping outside of their comfort zone, and embracing the uncertainty that lay before them? Think about the pioneers of our time, the visionaries who dared to challenge the status quo and redefine what was possible. Think about Thomas Edison, who failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb. Think about Steve Jobs, who risked everything to build Apple from the ground up. Think about the countless entrepreneurs, artists, and leaders who refused to let fear dictate their actions and instead chose to forge their own path, regardless of the obstacles that stood in their way. What sets these individuals apart from the rest of us is not their lack of fear, but their willingness to confront it head-on. They understand that true greatness lies on the other side of fear, that failure is not the end, but merely a stepping stone on the path to success, and that the only way to truly live is to take risks and embrace the unknown. But risk-taking is not just about achieving greatness. It's about living a life of purpose and meaning. It's about stepping out of the shadows of mediocrity and into the light of possibility. It's about pursuing your passions, following your dreams, and refusing to settle for anything less than what you truly deserve. Now, I know what you're thinking. Taking risks is scary. It's uncomfortable. It's uncertain. And yes, it is all of those things. But it is also exhilarating, liberating, and ultimately, the key to unlocking your full potential. So, how do we embrace risk in our own lives? How do we cultivate the courage to step outside of our comfort zones and pursue our wildest dreams? The answer lies in a mindset shift, a reframing of how we perceive risk and failure. First and foremost, we must redefine failure not as the end of the road, but as a necessary part of the journey. Failure is not something to be feared, but something to be embraced and learned from. It is through our failures that we grow, that we learn what works and what doesn't, and that we ultimately become stronger, wiser, and more resilient individuals. Secondly, we must learn to embrace discomfort. Growth and comfort cannot coexist. If we want to reach new heights and achieve our goals, we must be willing to step outside of our comfort zones and into the unknown. It won't be easy, but I can promise you that it will be worth it. Finally, we must cultivate a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity. Too often, we let fear and scarcity hold us back from pursuing our dreams. We tell ourselves that there isn't enough time, money, or resources to achieve our goals. But the truth is, the universe is infinitely abundant, and there is more than enough success to go around. By shifting our mindset from scarcity to abundance, we open ourselves up to endless possibilities and opportunities. In closing, I urge you to embrace risk in your own life. Step outside of your comfort zone, confront your fears head-on, and pursue your dreams with unwavering determination. Remember that failure is not the end, but merely a stepping stone on the path to success. And above all else, remember that the only way to truly live is to take risks, embrace the unknown, and live your life to the fullest.